so you guys can see all these different looks you guys can create. And Lexi is coming out. Yeah. Lexi, it looks like I have two heads. Oh, I love you. Happy video day, guys. So my lighting might be a little off because the sun is setting, and if you guys have seen my previous videos, you know that I am filming in my living room for a little bit until my room is able for me to go back into it. We're gonna be filming from here and the light is going down, and I hate filming with natural light because you just never know what color it's gonna come out, and that's what we gotta deal with. But anyways, so today's video is going to be my palette spotlight, and I think you guys enjoyed me doing it last month, so I think I'm going to be doing one of these every single month. And for this month, my palette spotlight is going to be on the Natasha Denona Gold Palette, because I have been able to create so many looks with this palette, and I think I've been able to come up with so many looks that I can definitely do a compilation for you guys of a bunch of different little short tutorials on different looks that I've come up with this palette. And I really think I've used almost every single color in here. I don't think that there is one color in here that has been unturned by me yet. So I definitely wanted to include this one in this palette spotlight. So if you guys haven't seen this palette before, it looks just like this. It is a beautiful, beautiful palette from Natasha Denona. This palette does retail for $129, and you can purchase it right now at Sephora or on Natasha Denona's website. I am a huge, huge fan of this palette. I think it's absolutely stunning. I love everything about it. I love everything about this palette. I have enjoyed it so much since I've worked with it, and I honestly think I could totally recommend this to anybody and say that it is a great palette. Very neutral colors in here. You can definitely use this on a daily basis. I think that this is one of those palettes that you spend a lot of money on, but you will get use out of it, so I definitely love that about it. But anyways, I have created a bunch of different looks using this palette, so let's go ahead and spotlight those looks right now. videos. I do post all of these videos up on my Instagram at the Glam Ranch. So go ahead and follow me over on Instagram. You guys will see a bunch of different short videos like these. But yeah, this is a compilation of all of the Instagram shorts that I have created. So anyways, guys, those are all the looks that I was creating using the Natasha Denona Gold Palette. I love the palette and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That is all I have for you guys. I hope you guys like all the looks that I was able to create for you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to leave me your comments below and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye! Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go. Let it go.